Crash course on Facebook ads. What is poppin', people? Okay, no beating around the bush. This is the secret. The top guys that are doing like $1 million a year in sales from Facebook ads, they all have this one thing in common. They run ads that are based on a lookalike audience. And the reason that I know that the top guys are doing this is because I'm a student in a lot of their courses. A lookalike audience is a way to reach people who are likely interested in your business because they're similar to your existing customers. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 most effective lookalike ads, but even more important than that, I'm gonna show you how to get existing customers in one day so that you can start running lookalike ads by tomorrow. Okay, let's dive right into it. I am going to firmly hold your hand and drag you from confused with little to no results and pull you up to a Facebook Ads Pro with massive results.
Chicks dig that.
When you first open the ad manager on Facebook, what you want to do is go to this little blue tab thing up here and then just click on audiences right over there, and it's going to take you to this page. When you're on this page, just click on create a lookalike audience. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on create new right there, and then just click on custom audience. So there's a bunch of different things here, and if you're going to go the route of starting a social media marketing agency, I would recommend you get familiar with all of these things. But for today's example, I'm going to give you the 3 that I think are the most relevant to just general internet marketing and to Shopify. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is engagement. So what the engagement one does is that it lets you create a lookalike audience based on people who have engaged with your Facebook posts or with your Instagram page. So for example, if I click here on the Facebook page one, this is our Wolfpack page, for example. By default, the setting is going to be for just anybody who did any sort of engagement with your Facebook page. But if you come over here and you scroll down, you have other options such as like anybody who engaged with the post or just anybody that sent you a message. And if you're going to go this route, definitely make sure you change the default 365 days. Between like 21 and 45 days, that's not like set in stone, but someone that liked your post a year ago could have easily forgotten like who you are and what you're all about. The next one, just again go to custom audience. I'm going to show you website traffic. So in order for the website traffic one to work, you need a Facebook pixel on your website. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much just like a piece of code that you copy and paste into your website. There's tons of videos about it already on YouTube. Just type in how to install the Facebook pixel, and you'll find tons of videos about it on YouTube. Once that Facebook pixel is installed on your website, it's gonna start keeping track of visitors that came over to your website. And what you can do here in the ad manager is you can create a lookalike audience based on people who have visited your website. And what's also really cool is that you can get even more specific, and you can direct it to people who have only visited a specific web page. So for example, if you're promoting let's say some sort of tactical backpack and 1,000 people came to your website to look at it, you can now create a lookalike audience just based on people who have visited that backpack page. And then the third one, which could potentially be your most profitable one, is going to be customer file. And that pretty much is just like your email list. So for example, let's say you have your Shopify store. You can take all of the emails of people who actually purchased that tactical backpack, and you could load those emails up into Facebook, and you can create a lookalike audience based on people who have actually bought the backpack. And that is likely going to give you your best return on investment, because it's going to create a lookalike audience based on people who have actually purchased something from your website. So I have an email list of 6,000 people who have registered to the Wolfpack website. These are people that I know are interested in like entrepreneurship, Shopify, and just online business and internet marketing in general. But I also have an email list of a couple hundred people that have purchased a course. So which of those 2 do you think is going to yield a better ROI? If you want me to make a video comparing the results between the 2, just let me know in the comments and we will make it happen. Okay, now actually the most important thing of all is getting that existing customer base to start running lookalike ads. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you 3 ways a expensive way, a medium cost way, and a free way to have your lookalike audience ready by tomorrow. So the first way I want to go into is actually just running a normal Facebook ad, but just targeting with interest. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So once you're in Facebook, just go to the Ads Manager. So click on that tab up here and then go to Ads Manager. It'll bring you over to this page and just click on Create. So for this example, I'm going to create an engagement ad, because what you can do, like we showed at the beginning, is you can then make a lookalike audience based on the people that liked the post that you made on Facebook. So just go to the engagement ad right here and just click Continue there. With a regular Facebook ad, you're actually going to have to target certain interests over here, and let's see, let me just put hunting for example, and then you could just add a bunch of those, and then Facebook is going to try to find people with those interests. And you would continue running this engagement ad until you got a bunch of likes on a Facebook post that you already made. Then from there you can make the lookalike audience based on the people that liked that post. That would be the first way to get your first lookalike audience. The second way, and probably a little bit of a cheaper way to go about doing it, would be to just run an Instagram influencer ad. So what that means is, let's take this hunting page that I pulled up for example. You could offer to pay this page, this is a really small page, so I would say like $15 to $20, and ask them to do a shout out. And in the shout out, what you're going to ask for is that they put the link to your website in their bio, and in their Instagram story they also make a swipe up story with a link to your website. What that'll do is that'll immediately get you a couple hundred visitors to your website, which you can then use to create a lookalike audience. And it's totally up to you, but you can either just directly link people to a product. Let's say you had a hunting jacket, you could directly link people to that hunting jacket, and you might even get a few sales out of it. Or if you potentially want to entice more people to come over to your website, you could give something away for free, which would mean like an ebook. So for example, if this was a fitness page, I could have a 41 recipes under 500 calories free ebook download, and then pay a fitness page to put the link to that in their bio and put a link to that in their swipe up Instagram story. And what that'll do is get a lot of people over to the website, putting in their email to get the free download for the recipe ebook, and then you could use those emails to create a lookalike audience. And then the third way, which is pretty much a free way to do it, but I don't think you'll get enough traffic in one day, is to post a YouTube video just giving some sort of value, and then posting that YouTube video on Reddit and on different forums to get traffic to the YouTube video. So for example, you can make a Fortnite video with something that's currently trending with Fortnite, and then by directing people from Reddit to that YouTube video and from other forums to that YouTube video is going to be more likely to be recommended, which will help you break past that first couple thousand views really fast. What you could do then with that video is, in the description, have a link over to your gaming website. Or at the beginning of the video, you can mention that the sponsor for the video is your gaming Shopify store, for example. And then what that'll do is get people over to your website, which you can then use to create a lookalike audience going forward. Alright, so that is pretty much it. I think this is the shortest Facebook ads video on YouTube. In my opinion, lookalike audiences are the easiest way to get started if you take advantage of those methods that I told you to quickly get that Facebook pixel data. You could be running your own lookalike audience ads starting tomorrow. That is it for the crash course. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you appreciate the short format, to the point format, let me know by liking this video. And if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, because we like to just get right to the point here and really just focus in on what matters and then the practical steps to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.